So guys, once you're on this screen and you finish entering your information, you want to click on next and then click on install now. Now once you're on this, you want to click on Shift and F10 on your keyboard, which will then bring up the command prompt. Now once you're on this, we're going to type in a bunch of commands. So the first one is going to be disk part. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in list space disk. Click on enter again. Then you want to select the disk that you want to convert. So in my PC, I've only got one disk and it's labeled as disk 0. You might have multiple disks or you might just have one like me. You're going to know which disk is which by the size. So now we're going to select the disk. So we're going to type in select space disk, and then you want to choose the disk number. For me, I've only got 0. You might have multiple disks. Check which one's which by the size, but in my case, I'm going to be typing in select disk 0. And now disk 0 has been selected. If you have multiple disks, then you want to type in the number of the disk that you want to select. And now once you've done that, now we're going to type in clean. Click on enter. Now we're going to type in convert space GPT. Click on enter again. And now we're done. You can type in exit. Type in exit again, and now you can just continue on with the setup, and then that's how you do it.